Hello everyone and welcome back to Garden Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura c60 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to basically remove the entire panels in order for us to service the brew unit and replace these O-rings that you see right here and many other ones that are located between the valves, the brew unit and the unit itself. So we replaced those O-rings, relubricated everything, make sure everything's moving out the way it's supposed to, and that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, when I test the machine out, you can see the beans getting grinded over there. And so I put a little bit more coffee, but that should be pretty good for testing. We also descaled this machine, the clean sacks on the machine as well, and just clean it overall. As you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color. Great shot of espresso, working perfectly fine. Great quantity, great shot. Water for this machine, as you can see, is nice, steady, coming out of the steamer one. We do not have the little hose that is located right here, so we will not be able to froth any milk. But we will still be able to test it up. There you go. The machine needs to heat up a little bit. Once it heats up, we can see the steam coming out through the one. As the thermoblock starts to get up temperature, the water pump will start pulsating into the thermoblock and we'll see more steam building up and coming out through the one. And as you can see, it's a nice steam coming out through here. Excellent temperature, working excellent. So there you have it, Jura Espresso c60 working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing my Garden Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.